What happens when you bring together international artists, high-energy dance workshops, stunning themed nights, and a dance floor that never stops moving? Add in a thrilling Jack and Jill competition, fun games, and an unforgettable final social dance night. When you mix all that, you get the ultimate Kizomba experience. Welcome to the Nairobi Kizomba Sensação Festival 2024, a place where you dive into the rhythms of Kizomba, Semba, Tarashenya, Kompa, and Afro dance. Get ready to relive every incredible moment. So hello guys, welcome to another video. I'm here at Britam Towers in Nairobi, where we have an international Kizomba festival that is beginning today. So today is Thursday, but the official event starts tomorrow on Friday. And I want to show you just a quick view of what the the festival is all about. So this is the welcoming committee. Fifi, say hi. Hi, ladies. Hi. She just came in. Christabel, say hi. You good? Yes. Siras, unajificha kwa nini? Huh? That's Sirandula. Sasa Siras. Hey, JP mwenyewe.
Hi guys, JP Ogai here. Welcome to the Nairobi Sensação Festival 2024.
Yeah.
Don't miss it.
As you can see, the t-shirts are branded. There is mine. Siras. H. These two are still chatting. Say hi. Hi. She doesn't have a t-shirt. She will get one. Yeah, not yet. Yeah. Yes. So, guys, that's the welcome committee. But there's a class happening, so... The night started with a fun and engaging Kizomba dance class led by Winnie from Kenya and Patricia Cardoso from Mozambique. The vibe was great and everyone was ready to dance.
That's not how you ask for a dance. There's many.
Okay, here we go. To my count without music. 5, 6, 7, and we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, open, 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 and tap.
After the class, Winnie and Patricia took a group photo with everyone, then wowed the crowd with a beautiful demo dance. After the demo, Bev from Haiti gave us a taste of Kompa. And just when she thought the night couldn't get better, she was surprised with a birthday cake.
The title, Kompa Queen. Who knows the Kompa Queen? There's something happening tomorrow. So tomorrow we have the Kompa Queen, otherwise known as Bev Flowers. She will be taking us through the Kompa workshop tomorrow at Pride Inn from 7 p.m. Say hi to the people.
Hi everyone, how are you? Hi. I hope you're ready for my class tomorrow. which is leave room for Jesus. In my class, there's no room for Jesus. So, I will see you tomorrow. Thank you for bringing me to Kenya.
Dr. Demo. Are you ready for demo? You need to come tomorrow. Buy your party pass tomorrow. There'll be a demo, a performance, everything. Okay, let's do it. Hold on. All of this side are excited for the demo.
Oh, sorry. Easy.
Maybe some void.
But the thing is, this side they're not excited, is it?
Expecting us because we have a wide lens, wide angle.
So let's do this. Alright, so it's going down tomorrow. Drive in 7 p.m. So make sure you're there tomorrow. You'll see a whole lot more. So now, the special song that's going to play. And it's Dev's birthday celebration today. Let's sing for her happy birthday. Have many more to come. We're waiting for the music. I've thrown you under the bus. Not to worry. We have a cake for you. There. There's a cake. Okay, now we're going to open the dance floor officially. So grab a partner, let's do this. I already have a partner. Alright, let's give it up for DJ Guelas on the deck.
After the celebrations, DJ Guelas from the USA took over, setting the dance floor on fire with his incredible mixes. And I wasn't left out. I got to enjoy a dance with Siras.
Alright, now if you enjoy some Afro, this is the time for you.
The night transitioned into an Afrobeat session full of energy and fun, then flowed back into smooth Kizomba vibes. As the night went on, everyone eventually headed home, excited and ready for the official kickoff on Friday at the Pride Inn Azua Hotel in Nairobi.
Baby, let me show you love better than you ever seen before. Me, I don't go for short. Me, I don't go effort. Mariana, she did make me holla. She did make me holla. Baby, make me go smile. Another man food is another man poison. Go, you know fine, but in my mind like go, oh yeah. Shake one down, calculate my money. Go, oh yeah. You want to dance, or you want to shake, oh yeah. Go, bless oh yeah. Chop the rice and banana. I go do my best, oh yeah. Chop the way you want, banga. But you don't stop, though. Shut it down for the matata. Same body, I love my life, I love my life, I love my life, yeah. yagala, sabacho yagala. The way you shake your baby bam bam, kuba chidongo ntomenyo mugongo. I don't sit down, baby don't sit down. I'm about to dash my girl. Mukwano sunda na go, baby go down low, go down low, go down low. Somebody.